Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SugarCRM with Zapier for pipeline automation step by start by signing into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Zapier website. Next, log into your SugarCRM account in a separate browser tab. Once logged in, navigate to the admin panel in SugarCRM. Look for the API settings within the admin menu. Make a note of your API URL and access credentials. Return to the Zapier dashboard and click on Make a Zap. In the trigger search bar, type SugarCRM. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as new record or updated record. Click Continue to proceed. Now, you will need to connect your SugarCRM account to Zapier. Click on Sign in to SugarCRM in the Setup section. A pop-up will appear asking for your SugarCRM API URL and credentials. Enter the API URL, username, and password you noted earlier. Click Yes, Continue after entering your credentials. Once connected, you will be prompted to test the connection. If the test is successful, click Continue to move on. Now, configure the trigger by selecting the module you want to work with. Map any necessary fields that you want Zapier to pull from SugarCRM. Click on Test Trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Now, move to the Action section by clicking the plus icon. In the Action search bar, type in the app you want to connect to SugarCRM. Select the action event that correlates with your needs. Click Continue to move ahead. Next, sign into the selected app if prompted, following similar steps as before. Now, you will configure the action by mapping fields from your trigger to your action app. Once you have completed the mapping, click Continue. Test the action to ensure everything is integrated correctly. If the test is successful, you can name your Zap. Finally, turn the Zap on to start automating your pipeline tasks. Congratulations, you have now connected SugarCRM with Zapier for pipeline automations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.